Some interventions. Scaffolding. Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory 1934 says that students learn better when assisted by a more knowledgeable person. Initiating group work helps mixed ability students to work together and help each other. Performance enhancing thoughts. Mia, being cyberbullied, is not able to develop cognitively. PET helps develop positive or optimistic thoughts. Suggest less phone usage or diversion tactics. The best strategy to help students is through engaging them in school activities. Practicing mindfulness is an act of eliminating all judgment and paying attention to the present.
The social development issues in Mia's case are that she feels withdrawn from her peers and could not manage to focus on her studies. Moreover, as mentioned in the winner, she has limited number of friends and does not interact much. However, she wants to perform well in school and wants to go for higher studies in university. We will recommend Mia to seek help from school counselor because she feels withdrawn and stays isolated from her peers. The school counselor should ask Mia how she feels about herself because at this age, the teenagers find themselves with the question of who am I? We would also suggest that teachers should organize additional tutoring sessions after or before the school so that she would be able to keep up with her class content. Furthermore, Mia is also in the need of building positive peer relationships, so we would recommend Mia to participate more in groups and build a strong group of peers. This would also help her to make social networks and allow her to understand and share with her peers. Besides, her peers will also find it more comfortable to approach her for daily conversations. In terms of financial issues, we would recommend Mia's family to meet school counselor and take his advice. He would be able to guide them better if there are some scholarships are coming up that Mia could be eligible for. He will also be able to inform them about government initiatives and programs that could assist them financially. The school counselor can arrange for interpreter services for Mia's parents because they have a limited vocabulary. Besides, the school counselor can also help Mia to arrange appointment to meet with career advisor so that she would be able to get better guidance with regards to her further studies. So the next strategy is social and emotional learning approach. Basically, SEL is a process through which all the young people acquire and apply knowledge, skills and attitudes to develop healthy identities and manage relations. SEL not only prepares students' capacity to participate in learning experiences, it also increases students' capacity to learn according to Durlock 2011. Moreover, it helped Mia to shape her identity and form emotional competences.